Ki khubor ka bate se TV. Pindon kam da ka Mahindra Power Roll India's #1 generator. Pinlat ka khuslai lahamiet neshai. Spare parts but service ru pinyo klem jing khuslai. ICFA University Meghalaya is now open for admissions for the academic year 2025. Explore our best courses and apply today. Fee concessions are available for domicile students of the state of Meghalaya.
Menteri ka Sorkar Jalau ba EL-hek ulang ba ka Sorkar ka deben Mudui da ka defamation case lani ka mukut duma bandawa by menran khmat na ki Bahaïing sem jong ka Sonam baru Raja Raghuvanshi namar ba kila penjak buram bat penbut nam ya ka jela Meghalaya bro kowe da ka bakenno ba ki dikitra jela ki ba penyap yo Raja Raghuvanshi ba ki kenno ru ba ki pulet ba ka Sorkar Meghalaya kimle AA Ubahek ulang bawat yaki tu kilat patai kubor ki bana bar jelaru di ban aikis lang yaki namar bakiru kidan keti ban pentop dia ya ka jela. Kumtau lakin tu ya umintrang ba ka jelau konrat ke sangma bar umentri ke trat kampo yeng ba preston tensong bagi dewan Mudui daga kes persya yaki Bahaïing jangka Sonam baru Raja Raghuvanshi.
Truth has come out, already came out, and also it has been surfacing. So all these days, the family of Raja Rajbangshi, their friends, their brothers, and their whole family, they are blaming the police of Meghalaya, they are blaming the government of Meghalaya, and particularly is a very shameful blaming the people of Meghalaya. They have done the excellent job. Within 7 days, they have already nabbed the culprit, and within 7 days, they have shown their capability. I really bravo the Meghalaya police, which they have done the best to nab the culprit, which has been there for the last 1 week. I told you also, before also I told you, we should file the defamation case against these people who are maligning the image of the state of Meghalaya, are maligning the image of the people of Meghalaya. We have to file the defamation case against them. I think I gaburam gabukrao ya ka police department kabala try sitom na do basdang gasngi nadu gasngi basdang bangaru wala do rangkat bat ki nadu gapor gabat don yosno kata gajingja bar ngela late snowlam kum ki para brio shadu shade shapo sora wan long pelong ki meeting berangkat bat ki edc ru yap ai kublelang ki tu video beran tur hab ai kublelang USP badi ka police team hi ga K9 ru ki ban aga buram namar bila try sitom bar kila pensisha bah Meghalaya cui gampang bagamdan kita criminal case Henry kenong ba hadu bangadon kita criminal case hadu banong ba ban penyiap yang gidu ki brio ki banabar kamdon kanong rem kam judon apa Meghalaya ka jungi ngala he alasan nang ni kam pajurum kita hot we are isolation cases kala banjang dia tai Henry kat kau kani ka case ba ong ba bang kinong him Meghalaya kiti killer ki Meghalaya kiti madra ya kata tingin ginom la man piang lano nadu kasi ka basdang ngala oi kata gentian bat mentar ngo oi ka hoj rius niu hangnu rudon ginom la ban ong ba don we rius niu hangnu ka jaka pila ban ong ba barok kinong Meghalaya kiti bas niu ya kata tingin la man piang si sendan na kaliang gachunga hi mengaru ngade we na ki cabinet minister hangni apo Meghalaya ngan ongru your honorable chief minister, honorable deputy chief minister hope but mangi ke government ngi diban file ke defamation case against yang itu ki Bahaïing basam ki belapan ja buram belapan budnam ka Meghalaya belapan budnam ka government of Meghalaya belapan budnam khamtam ya ke judgment review jong ke noksong snow jong ri Meghalaya ka jongi ngi diban ai ki daga ban file ki daga defamation case juru amde tang kata ya gitu ki bala pensapriang ya ke social media hagjo ke poru ya gitu ki national media ki bala penbudnam ya gari Meghalaya jungi ngidi ban file daga defamation case.
From the hills of the east, a new voice rises. Hello Meghalaya, our state's first ever OTT platform streaming stories, music and dreams. From folklore to films, beats to breakthroughs, this is where culture meets creativity. Discover award-winning talents, breakthrough creators, and untold stories that deserves to be seen. From soulful podcasts to live streams and dreamers. This is your stage, your spotlight. Hello Meghalaya. Your story starts here.